Culdora, the fourth shot, short. Miller, offensive rebound, no good on the putback. And here comes Letran. Manalili is on the move. Manalili up and in. Plus the foul for Titing. Manalili.
This is the kind of aggressiveness ang inaabangan ng lahat ng manonood natin ngayon dito sa arena. Ano? Yung Letran, nag-uumpisa sila with a strong start galing kay Jimboy. And then now you can see Titing Manalili doing coast-to-coast battle all the way and getting the basket and a foul.
He is in scoring mode here in the first quarter. Jonathan Manalili with yet another highlight in his...
He played 6 minutes and he has 10 points already for San Beda.
And here he is guarding Manalili. Manalili. Nakalusot! May kasama pang isa.
Oo, Titing Manalili really feeling yung emotions ngayon, ano? Napakaganda ng pinapakita niyang offense. Kanina nag-umpisa siya with a good pass.
Yeah.
And then taking a shot for himself. And at the same time, pumasa ulit. Ngayon, sa kanya ulit.
Look at this. Shaking off Miller's defense on his way to the cup. It is yet another highlight for Titing Manalili. Here's Manalili. Manalili! Oh! Extra pass to Santos. What a play!
And that's how he involves his teammate, ano? Ang ganda ng mga atake niya, yung looks niya sa loob. Pwede niya nang i-layup. Pero dahil nag-collapse na sa kanya yung depensa, dun sa last second, meron siyang decision-making palagi na to look for his open teammates as well.
I mean, look at this play. Manalili got the step through. You mentioned it. But made the no-look pass to Kevin Santos.
I mean, the more he involves his teammates, the more na mas umaangat yung energy nitong Letran.
That is assist number 4 for Manalili.
Ni coach, I mean, ginagawa niya talaga full-heartedly.
Oh, Manalili makes his move. Feeding Santos for the slam! It's the Manalili Santos show. Another miss from the outside for RC Kalimag. Manalili lobs it up, and Roque completes the alley-oop.
Again, babalikan natin. And Letran's gonna decide to, slow things down and get a good offense instead of getting that 2-4-1.
Manalili straight to the cup. And we have our third deadlock of the game, 70 all. Third quarter, Jonathan Manalili is doing it all for Letran. This time making the pass to Jun Roque for assist number 10 para kay Titing. A double-double for Manalili, 18 points, 4 rebounds, 10 assists. And the basket to tie it all up, 70 all. Letran with a massive run. Put out the fire for San Beda.
Oo, kailangan nila yun.
There's Manalili. Kaboom! A nonchalant 3 for Jonathan Manalili.
Kung help ka, o magsistay ka lang sa kanya. Kasi kung hindi ka help, ililayap niya.
Sure.
Ngayon kung humelp ka, yung teammates niya na na-open, sila naman ang susut.
Jonathan Manalili has taken over the game. 25 points, 11 assists for Letran's young star.